Okay, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. And this is a very special video. I'm super fired up about this. Today, I'm introducing you guys to FX Replay. It is a backtesting software that uses TradingView charts that's super user friendly, that is going to help you with data accumulation and everything like that. That's going to be automatically in the system, so you don't have to log anything. It's going to be all logged for you, and you're going to have all your data pop up, and you're going to be able to analyze very specific details that will help you grow as a trader. It's something that we've been working on for some time. There's a guy in my group, Rodrigo. Him and I teamed up here, and I showed him basically all of the pain points that we have as traders, and he used his knowledge and his skill set in development, and man, he created such an amazing software. So shout out to him, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So basically, let's just dive in, and we'll see how it interacts and how you can use it, and basically some of the features that we have for it. Okay, so you're going to start off here basically by creating a special part for your strategy. Okay, so my strategy is the Wix setup. You're going to want to put in a description of some sort, probably the parameters you use, stuff like that. Okay, so you can save that. And the purpose of this is going to give you your win rate, and it's going to give you your data for your strategy. So if you have multiple different entry criteria, or strategies, et cetera, you're going to be able to have different ones here, and you can actually get the real data on each of those strategies individually. So this is very cool. Okay, now you're going to create a session. Okay, so let's put in our account balance. Let's go to GJ. Let's start off from 2020, we'll say. Okay, and let's go to October of 2020, and let's go to the new week. Okay, and then the next one we'll go to, we'll end it off at right here. Okay, so October 2021. Okay, so we have basically a year, right? Okay, or actually what we can do is just go to October of 2022, because that'll be easier. Okay, actually we have to set this up again like this. Sorry guys. Let's go to 2020, October. Let's go to here, and then now let's go to 2022, October, right to here. Okay, so perfect. Our strategy, we're going to put in the Wix setup. Boom. Now we have it set up. So if we want to enter now and start off with our back test, we can simply click right here. Okay, and we're going to be brought to our screen here. So we can just drag this down nice and simply. And now we have our chart and everything's ready to go. So just to show, obviously, again, it's just like TradingView. So you're going to be super familiar with how to use it. Okay, but essentially what we wanted to solve was the issue with TradingView, how the daily candle and all these candles load full candles, first of all, and second of all, when you try and switch in between time frames, it's a pain, right? Because then the full candle prints, and you're like, "God damn, I wish I didn't see that," because that takes away from your actual learning and your growth. Okay, and so what we have here is you can adjust which time frame you want to speed up, which candles you want to speed up, and here's the speed that you want to go at. So say we'll go at 3 times here, and now look at this. Watch as the candles actually develop, right? So this is a daily, so you're seeing the candles develop as if it's a real, right? As if it's a live environment, okay? And then again, you can go down to the smaller time frame, say the 15-minute, for example. Okay, and again, you want to fast forward on the 1 minute. So it's going to be printing 1 minute candles, 1 minute candles like that. If you want to speed it up, you can go to the 5 minute. So it's going to be printing 5 minute, see, like that. 15 minutes, so it's going to be printing full candles like that. Okay, if you just want to skip one at a time, you just do that. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me just show you how it kind of works here, right? For the entries and all that. So essentially here, let's just do a quick little analysis. Okay, so we tested off some order block here. We're breaking structure, probably going to draw towards this high up here. That's my draw target. So let's just put it like that. Okay, let's go down to the 1 hour here. Okay, let's see how this is developing. Let me go to the 15-minute session breaks. Okay, so this is the new day. Let's wait for New York session. Okay, let's go to New York session right here. So let's just wait for that. Let's just zoom, or let's just run it until New York. Perfect. Okay, so this is New York session. I'm assuming that we're just going to go from here. Okay, here's our little block, our order block right here. Let me just change this. This is all new for me here as well. So here we go, right? New York session. Let's go longs. So this is how we do it. Very, very simply. I'm going to put my limit down here. Okay, so I just use my position size calculator like you would in TradingView, right? You put it right here, and essentially what you want to do is you just click it, place order. You want to risk 1%, save, and it puts in your limit automatically. Okay, and so now what you can do is you can go down to the 1 minute here, and you can just let it run. So you can see how the candles develop in and around your POI, right? Let's see if we can get that. And let's go to the smaller time frames. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, let's press play. It looks like it's going to run without us here. Had to be a little bit greedy. Okay, so we can fast forward a little bit to speed up the whole process. Okay, let's go into this fair value gap. Potentially there's going to be something here. I just want to put in a trade so you guys can see how it works. Okay, let me take this one off. Let's put in a new one up here. Stop loss right around here. And let's take this up. Okay. So again, click on the thing, the position size calculator, click that place trade. Let's see if we can get tagged in here. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so there we go. We get tagged into the trade. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so we can watch as it's developing like in real time. How would we manage our trade? Well, I'd be just waiting until it breaks that high personally. Okay, you can see that there's a nice little order block here, should hold, should go up from here. Okay, let's see. Let's go fast forward it. Approaching end of the day, so kind of, or lunchtime, so weird time to be in the market right here. So basically what I can do is I can manage my position. So just drag it underneath this level here. We'll just put it right under here. Okay, basically break even. Shouldn't get back below there. There we go. Now we have these highs taken. So that was it for the day. Basically, I would just use 10 to 20 pips above for the target. So 1, and then another 10 pips roughly for the daily target. Okay, so something like this. Boom, there we go. So those would be my daily targets, right? I can start managing my position a little bit more aggressively depending on what my techniques are, right? Depending on what your strategy tells you to do. Okay, so there we go, 10 pips. I'm gonna take partials here, modify my order. Oh, sorry, that was my stop loss, sorry. So you click on your actual position. So 50%, I'm gonna take out, or let's go 75%, okay? So let's see that. So now it's gonna take out that 75%. Let's go next. Let's see if we can get tagged in for the rest of our position there for that 20 pip target. Okay, we're closing at the end of the day now. So at this point, I'm just going to close out the rest of the position and I can just do it like that. So click out 100%, done. Okay, so you just need to wait for one more candle to play in before it closes. Okay, so that's going to be our setup like that. And basically, you can look at here and look at your closed positions, right? That's going to tell you, you know, everything that you need to know, your account balance, et cetera, et cetera. So let me just take another one quick and like, hopefully it's a loss, like, so then I can show you guys how it adds to the final, what's it called? The actual stats. Okay, so let me risk 1% here. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, wow. Let's see. It's going to be a winner. Here, let's take some partials just as another, to get in some more data in here. And let me just speed this up here, 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. Okay, whatever. It got us into profit. Okay, so now say you're done, you've tested, you're saying, wow, this is great, awesome, love it. Now what we can do is go back into our dashboard here and we can click this and we can click our analytics. Okay, so we want to see what we're doing, how well we're doing. Okay, and so essentially what we're going to be seeing here is this. Okay, we're going to be able to see our whole total P&L, our account balance, our win rate, how many trades we've taken, etc. We can split it up by the days of the week to see how profitable we are by the days of the week. Our average risk to reward, our maximum risk to reward, right? This is going to be our ideal average. So again, if you ever need to understand anything, or if you're ever confused with anything, you just hover over these little eyes, these little icons here, and you're good. Okay, and so basically you're going to have all this data, right? All this data. And these are the things that have helped me in my trading and my analysis. And so this is why we've included it. So we have a daily analysis to see what are your most profitable days, how much are you profiting those days, etc. Win rate by session, total trades, max RR, and it's going to base it off of all the sessions that you've been trading. Okay, so these are going to be super important. And it's going to be helping you out to understand which sessions you trade the best, which sessions you trade the worst, how can you optimize your trading, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you're going to have all this data here and it's all calculated automatically. Okay, and again, you're going to be able to filter it by day of the week, right? So say you trade for more days and you have a bunch of data for months and months, you're going to be able to look at how well you did, how much your profit and loss was, how much your win rate, etc. was on Monday or on Tuesdays or on Wednesdays, etc. And it's going to really, really help you out with your analysis and help you out with getting in those reps, because that's the whole purpose here. We want to be getting in the reps with our system, and backtesting is a great way to do it. However, it's a pain in the ass with the current programs and softwares that are available. And so that's why we've been pushing, and we wanted to create this to help you guys out and really create a product from traders, made from traders for traders, to help traders actually develop and get data that they actually need, that is actually relevant. And so I'm hoping that you guys will find this useful, and I hope you guys check it out. We have a 5-day free trial running right now, so definitely take advantage of that. If you want it, the link will be in the description. So all you got to do is just click the link in the description. If not, just type in fxreplay.com up here. You can see that. And then you have to create an account, log in, and then you can start really accumulating some great data. Okay, guys. So I hope you got some value out of this. I hope you really enjoy this. And please go check out the tool. It's 5 days free in the beginning. So check it out, go through it. If you like it, you can pay. If not, no harm, no foul, right? Thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate you all. Hope you're all doing well. Let's have a great trading week. And I hope you enjoy the new tool. And I hope you're as psyched about it as I am. All right. Cheers, guys.